tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. So without further ado, I'm gonna make it really simple and quick. I want you guys to go and follow me on my Instagram at MosToosifar. Subscribe to my YouTube at MosToosifar as well. And in regards to the food, I'm gonna be making some fish. It's pretty much frozen food. It's just taking it from the freezer, put it in the oven, put it in a plate, Bob's your uncle. Now, this is ideally going towards, sorry, excuse me there. It's kind of ideally for people who are in a rush to cook, or they're trying to eat healthy but quick, and fairly cheap, I would say. Yeah, fairly cheap. Anyway, stay tuned, see what goes in the oven, how it gets made. Well, it's preheat oven really, all it is. Anyway, stay tuned, enjoy the show, and share. Right, you beautiful people, this is what's gonna happen. I've got my tomatoes, not tomatoes, my god, potatoes, right? I've chopped them up a little bit because last time they were too oversized, like they were too chunky. But anyway, just throw it in there, come on, right? Give it a little wiggle about like that, so they go everywhere. I'm gonna put this in the oven for 10 minutes, bring it out, and I'm gonna put the fish in. So, yeah. See you in 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, give or take, a few. Our potatoes have been in the oven for a little bit. Give it a little shake. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, cool. What I'm gonna do is, quite simply, get a bit of pepper, right? Should have done this before, but I forgot. Never mind. It's never too late. Just go all over it. Season it. Because these particular ones, they're a bit, how should I put it? Not so seasoned, if that's even a word, I don't know. Anyway, what else I've got in here? Premium Wild Atlantic breaded cod lions, skinless and boneless, also plastic free. So let's give it a go. Hopefully there should be no plastic in there. Save the fish, blah blah blah, for the people who are, you know, they want to save the world without plastic and so on and so forth. Voila, look at that. So there's 6 in there, all I need is 4. Yeah. Let's just go with 4, right? Let's not squash these so much. Get them out of the way. Can you guys see, or am I blocking your view? Is everything good? Get one more. Just get out of the way. Get out of the way. God, look at that. Okay. Quick rinse to the hand. Get all the crumbs off. Yeah. This is gonna go in the oven for half an hour. Once the half an hour is up, we will take them out from the oven. So, yeah. Let that go in. Let that do its thing. I'll be back in about 20 minutes to do the veggies. So, you know, you can go for a quick toilet break or something like that. Have a chit chat, catch up on your Instagram and what so on. And I'll see you soon. Okay, guys. So, got a pan, got a hot water. It's getting to a boil. As you can see, the steam is coming out. So what I'm gonna do is get our last bit of vegetables, frozen vegetables, country mixed vegetables it is. Bit of broccoli, bit of peas, bit of carrots. Yeah, not a lot in there left, but anyway, just pour it all in. Be careful not to splash. There you go, done. That is it. Let it run 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, what I'll do is drain it out the water. in about 5 minutes or so, the fish and the potatoes will be ready, so we can get them going and get a bite to eat. I'm hungry, guys. I hope this comes out nice. Like I said previously, I'm not a big fish person. I don't like fish, I don't like seafood, but yeah, gotta try and be healthy. Guys, the half an hour is now up. It is time to take our fish and our potatoes, look at that, out of the oven. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, that's got a bit wobbly, isn't it? That's got a bit wobbly. Nice. So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get my plate. I am going to get, just use that really. Get my fish, okay. Look at that. Get the fish, right. Gotta say, yeah, it's got a little bit soft, but we're all good. We're all good. Get the potatoes. Oh, look at that, like nice and crispy. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. That is. Now, there's a bit of that. Right, let me just make some space here. Just make it nice. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, so let me put that there for now. Got a bit of peas. Tell you what, put that in. You want to get a bit of everything, right? The whole thing in there. Look at that. Now, does that look healthy to you? Oh, sorry. Always seem to make a mess somehow, some way, you know? Now, to garnish it off, gotta love a bit of parsley. Always. Just gotta love some parsley. If you don't love parsley, then why not, you know? Garnish it. Garnish it on the on the potatoes, on the fish. Give it an extra taste. You don't want the roots really. Yeah, put it on the greens, go everywhere. And there you have it. It's maybe a bit hot. You got your fish, you got your potatoes, you got your vegetables, and some parsley on top. Also, if you really were fancy, give it an extra taste, your peppers. There you are. Bon appetit, guys. I'm gonna take a quick picture of this, and then we're gonna eat. Done.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come